we spawn stuff here. Yeah. Save that. Alright, so that should fix that. Hopefully. What? What? Oh, oops, I forgot the, yeah. Did I forget it down here too? Yep. There we go. Alright, so if you want to wake up and not want to go overhead candy, sorry. That's a good call. Why are we catching these things, Pandifer? Why are we catching these things falling from the sky? Do you know? Do you know why we're doing this? This is a trick question, by the way. Just to be clear, this is totally a trick question. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. Just having fun. It's like the best answer I can come up with, I guess. No, it was a trick question. I was hoping you would blow me away by miraculously coming up with an explanation, but no, it was definitely a trick question. Oh. Oh, yeah, wait, hold on. I just remember something. I know why allies are spawning in weird places. It's because when we spawn partner, so when we spawn partner, we're setting its position based on its old position, not based on anything sensible. So yeah, spawn partner, I'm going to pass in vector3 pause, and so when we decide to spawn a partner, we're going to spawn it near near where whatever happened here. So yeah, what we're going to do with that pause is it's going to be transform position equals new vector3, whoops, new vector3 pause dot x plus pause dot x plus random etc pause dot z plus random range, and then I think we can put the range back up to 2 because I think that'll make more sense. Repop range was down to 1. But now, whoops, now let's set it to 2. Alright, I think that should help. That'd be fun. I could set that up, right? That probably wouldn't be too hard to set up t-shirt selling business. I'm not that witty though. Like most of the things I say it because I'm a silly person, not for any like important reason. I guess we could put the cracks in. No one voted for it though, or it wasn't highly voted. It wasn't highly rated. We could have been much more highly rated. But I guess that's not a reason not to do it necessarily. Yeah, I should put the credits in. I keep saying that, but I really should. I guess I'll probably do it in the clouds. 'Cause why not? It's the least obtrusive place to put it, I think. Yeah. Might as well do that, right? Yeah, I'll just put cracks in the glass. I don't care. Big gaff. Oh. Yeah, I really don't like using my moderator tools, so like if fake threats are sufficient to help people help me avoid using my moderator tools, then I am all on board with that. I am totally on board with that. I guess destination location? Dust marker. I feel like dust marker is probably like a fine thing to inherit when we're doing inheritance. 'Cause why not? I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put cracks in the glass, I think. I feel like that's the next most important thing. Whoa, wait, why is there nothing in the middle of the camera? Oh no, why this camera is stupid. Camera's stupid. Oh, this bug. Wow, why bug? Why bug no sad? No like sad bug, sad. Wow, now it's happening. And next out of range? That's impressive. Oh, is it? No. Whoa. Wait, what? What? Out of range? Crazy talk. Oh, -1. Yeah. -1 would be out of range. Fascinating. So maybe I should... Yeah, I don't know how this keeps happening. I mean, it just seems to happen eventually after enough time. I should probably go over my logic just in case there's a... Yeah, I never really thought about that before. That's funny, Bennifer. You're losing a piece of your soul every time you unfollow someone. What, what the what? What the what? what? Alright, yeah, no, I should just check over this logic, because clearly there's a gap in it somewhere. And I'm guessing it's based on the fact that it was originally conceived to be handled with a precedence towards index, which became really quickly quite meaningless. So hopefully there's like something further straightforward here, because yeah, I know the icon you're talking about. I've seen it before. Yeah, the heart with the slash through it is kind of an odd icon. Uh, yeah, it is a little ominous, right? I don't know. Excuse me. Oh. Alright, what the flurp? I guess I could put in a validation check and put in a validation check, and that might give me more information to work with. Yeah, why not? So, void validate cameras. So at least now I can figure out, I guess, where it's going wrong. Every time we change the cameras, we can validate cameras, and I believe in you, Panda Fur. If you think you know the word flarp, I trust that you do. I trust that you have a certain level of flarp within you. Validate cameras. So so yeah, the first thing that we need to do is to find the camera at 0, 0, because there has to be a camera at 0, 0. For int I equals 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. Actually no, I guess I don't really need that. Need those braces. If cameras I dot rect dot x equals x how do I tend to do this? X, yeah, absolute value. If mathf dot absolute value x is less than 0.1f, and same thing for y. So purple flarp. I would drink something called purple flarp. I tried at least. Automatos, hey. So how many hours in? We are 16 hours in. Yeah. Yep. Int OC equals -1. OC equals I. Oh yeah, actually, we want a break too. Oh. Yeah. Actually, maybe we don't. Um, oh yeah. I don't know. Yeah. Alright. I will cheer up now. Thank you. That was an excellent suggestion. Uh, if, alright, so, um, hmm. Alright, yeah, no, I could do 25. I kind of stopped drinking caffeine a little bit, or I slowed down my caffeine intake because, I don't know, I was like toying with the idea of possibly going to bed, but, I don't know. Yeah, no. If you say go for it, I'll go for it. I don't want to. I guess I don't know. Well, for one thing, I was thinking I could, but now I found like a horrendous bug, so now I'm thinking I probably can't. So I might as well live it up. um, all right, so purple flarp. Oh, I don't. Oh no, I don't necessarily want to go to bed. I was just like feeling. I was just thinking I should, cause like I don't know. I was just getting a little quiet, I guess, it was like the main thing. Like it's definitely just getting all low key, and I was like, well, I don't know. I was just starting to wonder if I shouldn't if it wouldn't just make more sense to do that. But nope, I just cracked another soda, so screw that plan. Alright, so braces for everyone, braces everywhere for everyone, for every reason possible. So if so actually no, this will be bool. So if OC equals -1, OC no, else return false. OC equals oh man, I bet that's delicious. Pulled pork pizza. I've had some good pulled pork pizza before. Don't tempt me, Automotos. I. OC equals I is the statement here. So well, if you love sleep so much, why don't you marry it? So, right, validation. Alright, so if OC equals -1, return false. I guess we could squawk about it too. Nah. Whatever. We'll just return false for now. So if what? If I don't know, just more validation. More validation. If, oh, yeah, no. Alright, so if what? If OC, if camera is OC, if camera is OC dot width, no, width, weirdo. Oh, rect dot width, excuse me. Rect dot width. You're clearly obsessed with sleeping, Automotos. Are you sure you're not sleeping right now? Are you sure this isn't all a dream? You're obsessed, Automotos. You got sleep on the brain. You got sleep buried inside your brain, deeply nested there. You're in a dream within a dream within a dream. I have no clue what I'm talking about. Just by the way. So, alright, if camera rect with, alright. How'd you check? What is your sleep check method? Did you read something? Because I don't know if it's true that you actually can't read things in dreams. I'm pretty sure I've had dreams where I've read things. That is a common one though. Like, I've played MapleStory before. Yeah, I tried it. I didn't play it for very long, but I tried it. Yeah, one of the common like sleep tropes is that you can't read while you're dreaming. And I guess that is probably often the case. But I'm pretty sure I've had situations where I have read something while in a dream. All right, so what's the width? Width is less than 0.9. Then we'll look for the friend. Width. So then we look for LC int LC equals -1. So in I, etc., if oh, that's interesting. Yeah, that would make sense, right? It's a good trick, Automotos. I've never played The Binding of Isaac. I own it, and it's in my list of games that I should try at some point, but I have not actually tried it yet. So if I not equal I not equals OC and X value, X value, X value, X value, X value. X is yeah, no, Y value. Nah. Y value. Yep. I, rect Y, etc., yeah. Then, if LC equals -1, then LC equals else. Trent Sterling, I am still awake. Barely. I'm in like a quasi, like half awake, half asleep state, but it's just technically still, I'm technically still awake. Right? I'm moving around, right? When I move my face, words come out. That's still happening, right? I'm not just imagining that, right? Yeah, 16 and a half hours. I started at 10 o'clock this morning. Yesterday morning. I started at 10 o'clock yesterday morning. Else, return false. Return false. So then, what else? I guess we can do the same thing for oh yeah, so then, oh yeah, actually yeah, so then if LC equals -1 equals -1 return false. So now change this to RC, and talk about height. Or wait, RC? No, LC. Sorry. Whatever. It'll be LC. They'll both be LC. I don't care. What? What the? That was the dumbest refactor I've ever seen. LC. What is your freaking problem? I keep telling it to refactor and it's like derp. How about instead just don't at all? Would that be cool? Would that be fun and cool? And not dumb? Alright, LC, good. Alright, LC, good, fine. Height. Yeah. Alright, have a great night, Trent. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you later. Alright, so, Right, so this time we're doing the x value. And then all that is the same. Or should I do an else case? Yeah, probably. Else. This one should be simpler. Else for then we can just straight up return false. Yeah. And likewise, excuse me. Whoops, wait, hold on. Yeah, no, that was correct. Why did it get all stupid? Don't get all stupid. Oh, whoops, I'm missing a closing brace here. this, paste that, y, x, right? Yeah. Alright, so that validates everything except the upper corner. Whatever, that's probably enough validation. This should catch most, if not all, errors. Oh wait, I do need to be checking for state, right? Oh, I don't know. Huh. I wish I could... Oh man, wait, is validation even gonna work? With no, that wouldn't help. Yeah, no, I don't know if this validation is actually even gonna help much, because I don't know if there's a way to check is active. I feel like there should be. Let's see if we can find out. Active in hierarchy. Oh, that sounds legit. Game object active self. Oh, awesome. Yeah, active self. Perfect. I never knew we could check that value. That's convenient. Alright, so yeah. Oh, interesting. Sure. Yeah, I should use this a lot. Oh, active in hierarchy, active self, active hierarchy, active self. So actually, no, wait, maybe I do want to do active in hierarchy. Yeah, I probably want to do active in hierarchy. Right, so if, right, so if so cameras i.active, wait, what? Oh, because it's not a game object. Okay, so game object dot active in hierarchy and the rest of those things. And yeah, I need to do that a lot of places. Cameras OCR. My profile picture, yeah, my profile picture is me when I was a young lad building sandcastles on a beach full of plastic cups. I don't know, I was like probably like 10 or 12 in that picture. I actually have a very poor sense of age with children. Like, I really can't tell how old kids are. It's weird. I don't know. They're all like wonky and strangely shaped. I can't even tell how old I am in pictures. Children. I don't know. Whatever. What am I doing here? Right, so I not equal, etc., and cameras game object active in hierarchy, and oh, thank you. Yeah, I had like a whole little village going on. It was good times. So not equals cc, and yeah, so just more checking if active in hierarchy. Always checking if active in hierarchy. Everyone loves things that are active in hierarchy, don't they? Aren't things that are active in hierarchy just the greatest? Just the greatest, I tell you. Save that. Alright, so let's see if validation works. Where should I put it? I guess I could just put it in scale cameras. So we scale cameras all over the freaking place, so why not? Why not validate cameras right after we scale them? Makes sense. Alright, let's see if that works. What? Oh, right. Okay, so if we make it to the very end, yeah, I forgot to return true at the very end. Because that's the case we're in, it all checks out, I suppose. There we go. So far, so good. Oh wait, I'm not printing whether it returns true. I forgot that's also an important part. Go to find all references. Alright, so if not validate cameras, then print oh snap. So let's see if our validation actually even works. I have the weirdest theory that life is a dream, and when you die you wake up in another dream, and when you die you wake up in a dream. Have you ever seen a film called Waking Life? It's all about it's one of my, or it has been one of my favorite films. It's they deal with really interesting subject matters. A lot of which have to do with dreams and stuff. Whoa. What if we live inside a black hole? Which three-dimensional local center is located center of our galaxy. One of the galaxies around us are just bounce. Reflexes around the edges. Whoa. I bet that actually is, I think, that's probably one of the most believable theories I've heard so far. Is that CP14 is bagel face all along. What is beagle face actually? Frank or Z? I don't understand. They should change the name of that emote to CP1414. Alright, so far we're validating, okay, so that's good. But we also haven't gotten the bug yet, so that's also good, I guess, technically. Yeah, so far everything's sunshine and roses, I guess. Sunshine, lollipops, rainbows, bloop bla doop, bling blong, flim flam, razzle dazzle pants, bloop bla doodle. I don't know, I have no clue what I'm saying right now. I only have so much mental strength right now, and it's pretty much all going towards what little I'm actually accomplishing in this game right now. Hey, maybe that bug went away. Maybe I don't need to worry about fixing it anymore because it just magically disappeared for no particular reason. Maybe. Maybe. That'd be cool, right? I think that'd be cool. I totally... Yes, it is 2:44. I've been up for 16 hours. Actually, no, I've been up way longer than 16 hours. I've been online for 16 hours and 44 minutes. Or thereabouts. Actually, no, like 41 minutes, because I was like, I think 3 minutes late to start the stream. Because I'm a terrible person. So... how do you guys feel about cracks in the glass? I took a vote earlier. I mean, I guess I'm admittedly, like, kind of trying to coerce the... Oh, did I get one? Did I get... No, that's a valid viewport. For some reason I thought that was an invalid viewport for a second. Nope, still valid. All still valid so far. How did that stupid bug happen in the first place? And why? I know. It's my greatest shame in life that I was just slightly late that one time. So I try not to acknowledge KomegaBot because he's technically banned from this channel. He's just posting from his bot account because his main account was banned. But right. So I haven't done multi-touch for this game yet, but I did very much set it up with local multi-touch in mind, so that way, like, if we port this to a tablet, you could very easily play it with friends. In fact, you could even, like, if you're so inclined, you could, like, you and your friends could have, technically it's a single-player game. Actually, no, I guess technically the number of players that this game is for is, like, unspecified. Like, it's team-based, but whether you approach it in a multiplayer manner. So for the jam, it's actually kind of single-player, I guess, kind of. You could just get... Well, tablets are so easy that animals can use them too, so you could just get a beagle and teach it how to paw at the screen. And, I mean, honestly, an animal pawing at the screen is going to do about as well as any other person playing this game. Why is this bug not coming back anymore? Is the bug, like, legit fixed? Or is it just, like, super rare, and so I'm just having, like, a heck of a time getting it to reproduce? I feel like either of these are, like, reasonable explanations. So I should probably work on the credits for a little while, and then worry about the rest of it later. Ooh, yeah, look at that! Just one more doggy, and you have a full squad to play this game. Or if you go color mode, then you would actually want 4 more doggies. But hey. You got your pick of the litter. That wasn't even I don't think that even counts as a pun. That was just a stupid thing that I said out loud for some reason. My traitorous brain is like shoveling garbage out through my face and mouth. I'm really good at this game, you guys. I don't know if you noticed. I'm kinda killing it. Kinda just cleaning up a little bit. But you know what I'm not doing is I'm not getting that bug to occur. And, like, what the heck is up with that? I have no clue what is up with that, to answer my own question. I have no clue. Not even a slight clue as to what? What the what? What the what the what? The what the what? The what the what? What the what the what the what the what? The what? Just freaking bug. Bug. Bug now or just never bug again. Those are the two options, video game. You can't have it both ways. Either make this bug happen when it's convenient or just never make it happen ever in the entire history of things ever happening. How does that sound? How does that sound, video game? Think you can handle that? Can you do that? Can you get by like that, video game? Over, go, other way. Run. Blurp, blurp. I am rambling. I'm a rambling man. I'm not actually trying to do anything right now. I just want this bug to occur again so that I can, Are you saying I need to die? You think I might need to die? I don't know what that means. I'm scared. No. I'd really appreciate it if this bug would just freaking happen. So that way, I could either figure it out or just never worry about it again. That was what I was rambling about. I was like, I don't care if this bug happens or doesn't. I just want it to be consistent so that I can figure it out and get past it. At this point, I'm just going to say, like, the bug's a lie, and if anyone gets the bug, they're obviously lying, because the bug is a lie. That's what my gut says at this point. You guys, I feel threatened. I think CP14. I'm just kidding. I am trolling myself. I'm trolling my own channel. We haven't seen a lot of vertical bars. I guess because I do try and avoid vertical bars. Like when repopulating, we always go for the horizontal bars before the vertical bars. And so yeah, it would only be like weird merges that. I endorse this course of action. I wholeheartedly endorse this course of action that you have proposed. Yeah, why not? Oh, bug. Buggy, buggy, bug, bug. Buggy, buggy, bug. Bug, 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 bug. Buggy. Buggy Buggerson. Buggy, 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 buggy. Buggy, 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 buggy. Oh. I should do something. I don't think it's related, but I think I need to do something. It just occurred to me, I don't think I'm properly resetting, I think I'm no longer properly resetting, the hug tracker, now that I think about it. Oh snap! Oh snap! We got it. So what the hell just happened? Oh man. I didn't think it was going to take me that long to get it, so I actually only set up half the validation check. That was supposed to be the quick run through where I checked that validation was in fact working. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm a bit tired or something, I don't know. I feel like Automotus might be onto something. I need to read this while gently stroking my chin. I feel like I'm unconscious a lot, would be a proper explanation of why I have such a poor memory. Or just such an inconsistent memory. Maybe I just am spontaneously unconscious at various points during the day. Or there's like just a level to which my brain is just like perpetually unconscious. Man, that I'm freaking out, man. Alright, that bug took way too long to reproduce, so I just have to do what? I just have to do what exactly? Yeah, what's the best way I'm going to get appropriate information as to what might be the cause of this? Validation did eventually work, but validation tends to be a bit, I mean, just wherein it runs. I guess we kind of want to be proactive about how we print information, so that way when validation fails, we'll just be able to look back at what was the most previous or the immediately preceding occurrence that you know, essentially, like, to figure out what just broke validation. I feel like that's the probably the best way to go about that. And then there's the credits. I could do the credits really easily, so I won't worry about those just yet, because I have a plan now. Credits. Yeah, credits are pretty simple for this project. Alright, so sorry, yeah. I think CP1414 is onto something. What if all sensory input is just like weird static, and we've all been exposed to it for so long that we've decided to interpret meaning from it. Like, you know how if you stare at like a pattern for too long, you can start to see like different shapes in it? Like, what if all of our sensory input is as meaningless as static, and the meaning that we get out of it is just our mind piecing together those patterns, those shapes in the pattern that aren't really, that are just like the result of like random variation. Sorry, I wanted to say something automotive style heavy. Alright, so yeah, alright, so let's just get like data printy whatever. Yeah, so now I guess I want to dump the state of common experience. No, not really, because I said all sensory input, so like literally all sensory input. So I mean, the fun thing about disqualifying literally all sensory input is like we're now all like isolated in our own little cells, and if you disqualify all sensory input, then there is no communication. So there's no such thing as common experience, or at least there's no way to prove common experience because that's just part of the hallucination. I just wanted to say something silly and heavy, like what Automotus is saying. Not necessarily anything like meaningful or anything that would like hold up to scrutiny, or anything even worth thinking about. But yeah, I just like thinking about weird things like that sometimes. It's kind of fun. Excuse me. Right, so, oh snap. Validate, etc., etc. Alright, so, yeah, let's just like print basically all camera information, all pertinent information. So yeah, it's like, right, so let's just make a thing. Where's validate? Where did I put validate? Was it further up? Validate, yeah, validate camera. So let's just say void print cam state or something. So print cam state. So for str, so string prnt equals whatever. So for int I equals 0, I less than 4, I plus plus. So what are the important details? We'll print, what are the important details? Not every game has to be deterministic, right? You could have a game as a... Well, I mean, I guess, no, yeah, I guess like the only really other... Yeah, no, I mean, I get what you mean about the extent of the limit of that. Although that actually doesn't need to be the... Yeah, no, games tend to be like kind of this like the part of the beauty of games is that it's like a abstracted rule set, or like a they're kind of by definition like a simplified rule set. So I mean, you can do interesting things within that rule set, but it's yeah, I don't think it's not really... Yeah, I don't know. I don't have anything too insightful to say on that topic. Alright, so what are all the pertinent informations? I guess I might as well print, so well, yeah, so I guess the first important one is like just I, so print plus equals cam plus I plus, so then for int, int hi equals 0, no, hi equals I plus 1, hi less than 4, right? Hi plus plus, print, prnt plus equals, oh yeah, so actually I guess ht whatever plus equals partners hugs hi plus space, sure. Oh, hey Tristan 34, how's it going? Oh yeah, CP1414 is furious. He's going to destroy the entire world. Probably. I'm doing alright, thank you. I'm a little tired. I've been up for a while. But, oh, also I'm tracking down, like, a really obnoxious bug. But other than that, I'm doing alright, thank you. You don't really have that power, Tristan. In fact, quite the opposite. CP1414's a mod, so he could destroy your entire world if he so chose. By your entire world, I mean your country. Hey, we got a new follower, Tristan 34. Thanks for following. I appreciate your support. Sorry for alluding to the destruction of your entire world. By which I meant your participation in chat in this channel. But yeah, no, thank you for watching. Yeah, so what's all the important information? Alright, so there's the hug tracker, of course, utmost importance. And then let's, I guess we can just print, oh yeah. Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to update real quick, just what I'm thinking of it, is the oh wait, no, it's handled in it's handled where? It's handled in no, what is it? It's spawn partner, I think? No. It's handled in check hugs. Oh no, it's not. It's not. No, it's no. Right, no. It's handled in. It's handled in B. Right. It's handled here. So if partner state I is greater than or equal to 0. Right. Okay. I want this to be. Oh, this is an OR case. Huh. Interesting. Oh, should it be? Oh. 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 Oh? No. Huh. Yeah, no, this doesn't make sense. Because if either of these are the case, yeah, no, we'll handle this separately. So, x, get rid of that. So if all right, yeah, okay, wait, right, no, okay, so if let's put paren around here. If and so if both of these are greater than 0, so both of these are greater than 0, and yeah, so this is an and alright, so these are all ands, all ands on deck. My brain, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Alright, so oh yeah, that was the other thing. So if right, oh yeah, so I was gonna put this as like a sub thing. I was gonna nest this, is what I was trying to just say just a second ago. X. So if this is the case, so then if these things are a thing, then yeah, there's the gradual decline which occurs. However, there's also an else case here wherein the decline is not gradual, it is instantaneous, where it just flat goes to 0. Yeah, equals 0. Alright, sorry, I mean, well, I don't know, I'm apologizing, that was completely unrelated, but you know what I'd like to see, where I'd like to see, you guys are talking about machine learning, right? One thing that I think would be interesting would be an MMO where one of the factions is entirely NPC, but like still participated in stuff like PvP. Basically, like participated as if it like had all the freedom of the game as if it was a player-controlled faction, but was just entirely bots. I don't know. I just feel like that would be an interesting thing. And like, I guess like at that point, the machine learning wouldn't necessarily be to figure out how to eradicate everything necessarily, but just how to, because like we all know how effective bots can be at that. But like, I don't know. I think I think there could be some interesting goals there. At least I don't know. I like MMOs. I like the nature of how MMOs evolved. So I think that could be one interesting application. But yeah, I don't know if that would ever actually happen. I'd play it, maybe. I don't know. It could be like a Star Trek MMO, and they could be the Borg or something. Anyways. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was doing this super boring print, whatever, blarg, flarg, whatever. Print cam state. Sigh. Alright, so, yeah, alright, so I guess even before I print that, I should probably print, and, active, print, or no, active, plus, what is it? It was like, partners I dot active self plus space so so you wouldn't necessarily need a predetermined goal for the you wouldn't need a predetermined goal for the Borg or whatever. Actually, I just decided a better comparison would actually be replicants, and so you could present the players, you present the computer NPCs, the bots, as any other player, and there could be a risk reward system for real human players to maybe Cylons would be another good comparison. There could be a risk reward system for other players to unmask the bots. You get some reward if you successfully unmask one of the bots. However, you get a penalty if you attempt to unmask a bot but actually unmask another human player. So therein would be the interesting challenge of the replication of a convincing. Yeah, so I guess actually no. In that case, it wouldn't be a faction. It would just kind of be like players within the MMO. They would just kind of be like, I mean, who knows? Maybe they could form an entire team. Maybe they would, go through every possible action like a human player could take. But no, I legitimately think there's an interesting way. Because okay, so like the thing that interests me about MMOs is that humans behave in MMOs in a way that humans have never behaved before. That is to say, it's like that like literally like the societal scale machinations in a completely virtual world. Before MMOs, like nothing like that really ever existed. And so I think there actually is there are some interesting applications for machine learning in that sort of environment. But again, I don't know. I might be the only one who finds that sort of thing interesting. It's entirely feasible. All right, so what are we? Um, yeah, what information of this am I actually going to find useful in terms of debugging? Did I actually just pour over this yet? Did I actually just go through piece by piece and like see if... No, I really don't think the issue is going to be obvious considering how long it took me to incur it. Ugh. Yeah. Oh, if anyone's interested, there's actually a build online. Just BT dubs. Oh, my site wasn't working earlier, though. I don't know if it's going to work now. Test. Hey, look at that. Yeah, so if anyone's curious, they're just BT dubs. There's a build online. It's not the current build, but I put it up not too long ago. Actually, yeah, no, I put it up around. Oh, I guess I put it up a little while ago. I think I put it up around like midnight or so. Which was 3 hours ago. 3 hours and 20 minutes ago, my time. Right, so yeah, I guess just positioning information. No, I don't know. I feel like the whatever's going wrong has to be. No, I felt before that it had to have something to do with concurrence, but or like coincidence, but I don't mean that literally. I don't mean like happenstance. I mean like concurrent events, like things that happen to occur simultaneously. But I also thought my first fix was gonna do it. Well, yeah, that's why I like. That's why I like when the goal is like be human. I don't know, because like how does you don't have to worry about about a computer being too perfect at being human, like like human computer interface is something that's going to be important perpetually. Like there's never going to be a time when we have to like when it'll be. I don't know, just like I mean, think of like science fiction androids. Like, it's just a very pleasant concept to be able to think that you could interact with a computer and the computer would legitimately understand you. Like there wouldn't be the barrier of that level to which artificial intelligence is artificial and feels artificial. That it feels like a simulacrum and not like a real thing. But that conversation is way more interesting than the boring thing that I'm working on right now, which is why I keep getting distracted by it. Which isn't to say, I mean, please do carry on. I find it very interesting, and I will just be a stronger person and figure this thing out. So yeah. I guess, yeah, I'll just, whatever. I'll just continue. I'll just print cam state. So then, just all the dimensions, I guess. Yeah, sure, why not? So I wonder if I can just print a rect. A rectangle is what I was saying there. Oh yeah, IBM's Watson. IBM's Watson is hilarious because like, you can ask it a question and it'll say something like so human, and you ask it another one and it's like, oh my god, IBM Watson is so smart, and then you ask it a question and it'll say something so completely ridiculously dumb that it's just hilarious. I love Watson. He says he's at that like wavering point where like he hits peaks that are so incredibly high that it's just so amusing when he hits those troughs and he says something so incredibly dumb as to be just perfectly incomprehensible. It's so good. It's delightful. Alright, so yeah, let's just print the recs. So, oh yeah, right. No, and it's because yeah, right. It's just like they're making progress, and they've reached great levels of smartness, but it's still so imperfect that the intelligence is still very artificial. It still feels very artificial. It still feels like a simulacrum. But yeah. All right, so. yeah. All right. So SGR or no PRNT plus equals um, so x cameras I dot rect dot dot x actually x y wh plus oh no whatever, no that's silly, plus plus x y width height so yeah no x y w h alright, so what else, what other pertinent information could I include here? What other data do I have? Partners, this objects, partners, data. Repop. Partner state, I guess, why not? Print plus equals p state p state plus partners state or partners state plus partner pause no Alex colors no none of that matters. Print plus equals you know, what other information do I need? Or could possibly be helpful? Prefab partners, pause. Partners. Blippity bling blong blop bloop blitting. Yep, and agreed. Alright, so print cam state will also have a string str. Print will equal str plus that. And then, yeah, so print cam state. We will print cam state where print cam state several places. On the downbeat, we'll print it here. Print cam state. Before merge. After merge. Scale cameras is where we do the validate cameras, yeah. So right before scale cameras, oh, actually, yeah. Right here, I guess, is the next place to scale cameras. Camera scaled. And then, so then I guess I'll also do it before. So yeah, we have before merge, and then we have, I guess, before spawn will be the other one. And hopefully that'll be enough. Hopefully that'll be enough information. Before spawn. Alright. Please work. Please work. Or please be consistent is what I mean to say. Cameras? What? Cameras. What? What is unexpected? There's nothing unexpected here. There's nothing unexpected here. You're unexpected. Oh, wait, no. That usually, unexpected usually means I'm missing a colon. Semicolon. But I don't seem to be missing a semicolon. It's not here. What? So, what am I missing? Do not like how I'm concatenating these things? I don't understand. I don't understand here. What is the error? Unexpected symbol cameras. There's no symbol here. Alright, if I take this out, what then do you error about? Is that the source of many? How many? Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Alright, so that one's legit. That one I legit just forgot. Whatever. Is that what you were complaining about? Alright. No, you still say unexpected symbol camera. Cameras. Cameras is totally a thing. BT dubs. What is it that you find so unexpected about this? Unexpected symbol cameras. Oh, derp. Alright. Thank you. Thank you, debugger. Alright, so I hope the bug happens a lot faster this time around. Last time I spent so much time. So much time. So much time. It was terrifying. I was horrified. It was horrifying. It was awful. Can't stand it. Can't tolerate how awful, how truly despicable the whole thing was. Oh, hold on. This is the link CP1414 just showed. Oh wait, why aren't we getting those prints? We should be getting those prints. Why are we not getting any of those prints? We should be getting all of those prints. Oh, because I never actually put in the print statement. Well, it's a good thing I realized that up front. Alright, so print, ha, yeah, CP1414, you're using better Twitch TV. Wanna know how I know this? Wanna know how I know this, CP1414? Because better Twitch TV blocked links. So anyone who uses better Twitch TV can see the links. But not literally everyone uses better Twitch TV. So I do it for my viewers, CP1414. Some of my viewers, they don't have the better Twitch TV. And so I give them the links. CP1414. I don't know why I keep saying your name as CP, your full name, but yeah. No, that's just that's what that's about. Thank you, CP1414. All right, yeah, that's some verbose information we got going on there. Hui. Hopefully this works. Wish me luck. Wait, why was that one so short? Why did that one... Wait, no, legit, why was that one so short? Why are some of these so short? They shouldn't be longer or shorter, should they? Did I do that by accident? No. These shouldn't be longer or shorter, they should all be the same length. What? What the frick? What the literal frick? How are these not all the same length? What the literal frick? This is weird. Right? This is weird. This is legit weird. I feel like. Unless I'm that tired, I feel like this is legit weird. Hey Captain Capsule, welcome back. How's it going? Oh, did you see I put in the following objects. So yeah. Got that going on. We also got a weird bug going on. A couple weird bugs maybe. Or I don't know. Maybe I don't understand why we're not getting the full story. Oh, no, I know what it is. Oh, wow. Okay, no, I'm just an idiot. Idiot pants. I am idiot pants. I put that in the wrong place, and so it was printing too often. Yep. Alright. I'm an idiot pants. Alright, cool. Alright, so the prints won't be as ridiculous. Hopefully they'll just be like normal and good and stuff. Oh yeah, I should play the game. Because I'm trying to get the bug to happen. Oh my god, last time it took like so forever to get the bug to happen. I don't want the bug. I wish the bug just never happened. I wish the bug just never existed. Please, just make the bug never existed. Please. Oops. Didn't actually mean to move. Too soon. Too soon. Boom. Buggy bug bug. Buggy bug bug. Buggity bug bug. Buggity bug a bug. Dug a bug a berg a berg. Berg dork. Durky durk. Borg. Blurgdorf. Where are you? Oh, here we go. Nope, probably just go straight to here, probably. Flurp. Flurp-a-derp. Flip-a-doop. Floop-dorp-a-derp. Buggy bug bug. Oh, I'm not going to actually see Ono's... I'm probably not actually going to notice the validation print. Well, I'll notice... I guess I'll probably notice it once the bug happens, and then so the validation print will alert me to where the relevant data occurs. I feel like it has to do with verticals. It must have to do with verticals, right? Verticals are to blame for all the ills of the world. Oh, it happened. It happened. It totally happened, right? It happened? Did it happen? Did we fail validation? No, we didn't fail validation? Oh, no. No, I'm just a silly person. I'm a silly person. We haven't failed validation yet. Probably. Probably still fine. Yeah, I think we're still fine. False alarm. Validation is still totally valid. Those dations. So valid. So valid, those dations. Wait, how did... Wait a second. Was that a valid merge? I feel like that wasn't a valid merge. I feel like we merged while not hugging. Which I do not consider a valid merge. Everyone knows hugging is mandatory for merging. Like, what even, if not hugging, like, what, is all I have to say about that. If somehow, like, if we were somehow merging without hugging, that would, well, that would be weird. I don't have an explanation for how that could happen, but I could certainly understand how that would lead to weird things happening. Come on, bug. Buggy, buggy, bug, bug. Buggy, buggy, bug, bug. Buggy, bug, buggy, buggy, bug. Buggy, buggy, bug. Blurgy bug. Burgle blurgs. Blurgle bugs. Legal blurgles. Yes, Mr. Fata. We have Captain Capsule to thank for some fantastic falling objects in this game. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why would this bug would just happen? I mean, I'm sorry. This is gonna be some of my greatest hits from. All right, so the bug happens. So if you play the game for like a gratuitously long amount of time, eventually the viewports get screwed up. I don't know why. Like literally last time I tried to get it to happen, I probably played for like 15 minutes before it happened, but then it did eventually happen, and it from 5 minutes in until like the 15-minute mark when it actually happened, I just spent the whole time saying like, I wish this bug would either just happen now or just never happen again. Because it's like, right now it's the most frustrating thing where like, in order to get it to happen, like, I don't know, whatever the chain of events are, they're like disgustingly long, and all this debug information that we're seeing output in the console right now is basically my shot at like trying to parcel out like what on earth could possibly be happening in this case. So I'm just printing out all this information so that once the bug happens, we'll hopefully have like a sufficiently detailed log to figure out what it was, to unravel that history. So yeah. Anyways, we'll recognize the bug either because, well, for one thing, I have a print that will occur. I might miss the print, but the other obvious sign when the bug occurs is that you'll get like dead viewports. They usually appear on like the bottom half of the screen, or I don't know, maybe not always on the bottom half of the screen, but like yeah. So the first symptom seems to be that dead viewports will show up, and then the next symptom seems to be that like viewports will go missing, or like, you know, it'll break formation. Like viewports will be overlapping, or like some will be missing, or, you know, any number of things in that manner. So you were commenting just to exactly right amount of commenting, I would say. That was almost English. It almost made sense. Parts of it might have made sense to some people. It's not impossible that someone might have understood some fraction of what had just been said here. I don't mean to... Wow, it is, yeah. We're getting there. That'll be, what, 4 o'clock in the morning will be the 18-hour mark? Is that true? Am I making that up? I might, at a certain point, my arithmetic skills are going to go... They will depart, and I will no longer be capable of discerning how long I've been awake. We're probably not far from that time. I'm probably going to start making weird assertions like I've been up for 82 hours or something like that. I don't think I've been up for 82 hours, not yet. But I'll let you know if and when that happens. Thank you, Captain Capsule. Oh, no. Whoops, I'm an idiot. I keep trying to... Oh, man. No, I'm just a special brand of idiot right now. Is how it's all going down. Yeah. Excuse me. Sorry. Sometimes I forget I'm on camera. Sometimes I forget I'm supposed to be standing up and awake. It's a strange life. Now we go here. Flashy, etc. Whatever. Please bug. It's me, Margaret. What am I even saying? Why? Why and what and how and who and for what cause? And I'm not gonna jam for a while, I'll be honest. Oh yeah. Oh snap! Validation failed. Look, this is one of the broken cameras. I think it must be, because validation failed. Oh wow, look, yeah, validation failed a few times. Alright, so is this the first one? This is not a drill. This is the real thing. This is not a drill. Alright, so the first reported failure is here. So before spawn, we have this state. Let's copy this to some place that I can read it better. Oh yeah, there's the, there will be our credits someday. Alright, so what do we have here? So that's before, and this is after. what transpired here? What cruel fate may have beset us here? So we can get rid of this chunk because this is like chunk whatever. Alright, so so 0, 0, 0. So this is before. Oh, it was a spawn event that. Oh, that's interesting. I was gonna guess it would be not a spawn event, but I was gonna guess a merge event would be the culprit. But all right. So what came exactly before? So was it a coincident spawn? Was it that two spawns occurred simultaneously? Are these not timestamps? Yikes. I would have assumed these would be timestamps. I would have appreciated if these had been timestamps. But whatever. Well, so it was definitely that, two things that spawn. Sleep. Sleeping is that thing that you do when you give up on your dreams. Is that that's the stuff you're talking about, right? Whoa. Yeah, that's. I hope you weren't driving. I hope you just like ran really fast into a car, and that's what you mean by crashed a car. Because if you're drinking, you should not drive. It's this cool trick I found out about how not to die in a car accident. If you're drinking, you don't drive. Is the trick. It's kind of a pro tip. So yeah, you're welcome for that information. Oh, yeah. Also, you don't drive with people who are drinking. So I don't know. Maybe your sober driver got into an accident. I hope your sober driver got into an accident with another sober driver. Which is, if you're gonna get into an accident, that's the way to get into an accident, right? I'm sorry to hear that you got into an accident, though. Unless the driver was inebriated, in which case. But no, sorry, I shouldn't make light of that. I blame my tiredness. I have 2 sodas left, you guys. Sorry, I'm just all over the place. Alright, yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm only technically keeping it together. Alright, so what the heck? So we had active true. Alright, let's line these up. So we have no, okay, so cam 0, cam 1, cam 2, cam 3. Alright, so cam 0, oops, cam 0, cam 1, cam 2, cam 3. Alright, so what in the what? Alright, so, So it's the case where we went from. Alright. So this is the one immediately. So I'll just remind myself that this is where the failure occurs. Let's line up the immediate preceding event as well. So yeah, we have those ones, and then we also have. Let's put this one in here, and then I'll also put this one in here, I guess. And then I can continue to trace back if need be. I just want to see how these line up as well. Oh. No, I don't know. Oh, maybe I'm playing too aggressively. Maybe this occurs when you play more lackadaisically. Um, maybe, because if it occurs when like I always see it occur with little windows, so maybe it occurs when in a case when you're going to maybe it occurs in the case when you hop directly from 2 to 4 in the same frame. Maybe. Yeah, I did get a little bit preachy for a minute there, huh? I think what I said was technically true, although I'm sure I didn't present it very well. Alright, so these are the active ones, and so they should... Right, so this one spans the... Wait, what? Yeah, no, they both span across. This one spans the bottom half, this one spans the top half. So then we get a new one added in, and it's this one we get, cam 0 gets added in over here. Just they're not quite fully lined up. Alright, so cam 0 gets added in. Cam 0 gets added in on the top half? No. It should get added in on the bottom half. X equals... Oh yeah, no, it does get added in on the bottom half. It gets added in on the second... Right, it gets added in on the right-hand side of the bottom half. So... Should oh, excuse me. So right, so this one gets cut in half now. Wait, what? No, it didn't. It didn't. It's still just as... No, right, because that's y.5. This one got cut in half. Alright. Yes. So these got cut in half. And right, because we didn't fail validation yet. So then the next one comes in. The next one's supposed to cut the top in half. So this is the T. This is the T case. This is the T case. I don't know if that's gonna be relevant. If it's relevant, this is the hand gesture for the case, in case this case is relevant, just in case. So cam 3 is gonna get cut, but it doesn't, is the thing. Cam 3 does not get cut. Why does cam 3 not get cut? So cam 3 doesn't get cut in the T case. Why would cam 3 not get cut in the T case, is I guess the question. Why does cam 3 not get cut in the T case? Why? Oh, thank you. Thank you, CB1. Alright, why would something not get cut in the T case? Downbeat, no. Spawn partner. The T case. So the T case is a 3 case. The T case is... Specifically, it's this case. What? Yes. Ha. Aha. Ah. It totally should get cut. It should get totally cut. Look at this. Super cut. Super cut. So something's not getting evaluated correctly. Oh, no. Wait, what? Oh, break. You're right. Those are the case breaks. I was like, wait, why are there so many break statements? But yeah, that's breaking from the switch. Excuse me. Sorry. So somehow... Oh, wait, hold on. What are we switching on? We're switching on a count. So is a count somehow getting messed up? Oh, excuse me. Yeah, is there an oversight in a count? Could there possibly be? SI. Oh wait, where do we scale? Okay, scale cameras. Alright, so we do scale cameras here. Alright, so I wonder if there's just a cheap way we could hack around this. I wonder. Like just use scale cameras to just rectify the situation. I would have it. I shouldn't give up on actually finding the cause yet, because it could be apparent. Yeah, let's just. All right, so yeah, I know what the case it was. It was the T case. Is this case? Or no, I don't know that it was necessarily this case, but I know it was the T case. The heights all should have been consistent, right? Or the heights should have all been consistent, right? So 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So yeah, that should have passed. That should have passed the test. So this statement never comes to pass, or if it does, it comes to pass on the wrong whatever. How could that possibly happen? If 0 is greater than 1, then if 0 is greater than 2, 0, otherwise 2. Otherwise, if 1 is greater than 2, 1, otherwise 2. Am I neglecting to partner state equals 1? So I'm not failing to set the partner state. Hi, Captain Capsule. Have a good night. Before you got here, I was bragging about how you're kind of like an art superstar today. You really nailed it. You're just like, this whole project, you've just been like blowing it up, just completely like killing it. So, thank you for all of your hard work, and I'm glad you're okay. I'm glad you made it home.